I learned a tremendous amount in 3 days. Gave me some incredible practical tips, tricks, techniques, hands-on practical experience, and also decades and decades of industry and restaurant knowledge just packed into 3 wonderful, enriching days. I could not be happier that I took this incredible course.
I absolutely would recommend the course, not just for aspiring chefs, but for somebody that is interested in learning about the tradition of Neapolitan pizza. This is a wonderful starting point for anybody that's interested in this as a career or interested in doing this at home.
Pizza University is an investment in yourself. If you want access to subject matter experts, people that really know this industry, they're going to help you differentiate yourself versus others in the industry, this is the place to be.
Based on the people I saw at this class at Pizza University, there are seasoned professionals, people who have never touched dough in their lives, people who have eaten pizza but have never made it. I mean, it just was mind-blowing, the breadth and the width of people who signed up for this. So this is a great course for anybody who has any bit of interest in being involved in the pizza world as anything more than just a consumer.
And gives you the skills that you need to move forward on to whatever you want to do. If you want to do this as a hobby, to increase your skills to go into a possible business, highly recommend it.
We're running out of people in this world that are skilled with their hands, skilled in a craft more than just what comes out of your brain. I would recommend this to anybody that wants to get dirty with some dough and eat a lot of wonderful pizza too.
Each class has a different angle on it, and I think for aspiring pizzaiolo and for myself, I enjoy learning new things and expanding embracing the whole pizza culture.
For a number of us, this process of making pizza and being in the industry is collaborative and not competitive. There is a great opportunity to have an understanding of things that they need to learn over the next year, the next 5 years, and over a lifetime.